What's up, guys? I am gonna take the Tesla out because it snowed so much more. It calmed down now, but as you can see, the M4 is parked in the garage because there's no way in hell it's gonna happen. So it's gonna be a one-off video. I don't usually take my daily driver on a, POV video drive, but it's snowing and I'm gonna hoon around. So first things first, I'm actually gonna end up going to Costco because we're gonna try to get some groceries. So anyway, let's get this started. I also need to go over here into track mode and then go over here, I think, customize drift. I think that should be good. Let's do it. I don't even know if we're gonna be even okay in this. I mean, we're already slipping.
This is gonna be fun.
This is gonna be real fun. I got a microphone on the exhaust on this one. Just kidding, there is no exhaust. It's an electric car. All right. What the hell going on over here? Well, that explains I got K-band. Should we do a drift right in front of him?
No.
Do it. I'm drifting. What's going on over here?
Jeep.
Something with the Jeep, huh? Wow, look at that.
Couldn't handle the smoke.
Wow. Yeah, there's cops over there just vibing out, looks like. Crime scene, couldn't handle smoke, huh, hon? Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Well, actually, let's go this way. Oh yeah, this is so much better than yesterday when it was just like a sleet of ice. All right, we're gonna do this. Oh yeah. Maybe we should go for a walk later today, babe. Freeze our asses off.
Yeah.
Dang, there is something going on though. Something serious. For sure.
For there to be that many cops.
I mean, when there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cops responding to something, that usually means it's something pretty serious. For sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Drift away, drift away, drift away. Oh.
What?
Did we close the garage?
Yeah, we did.
You sure?
Checked, yes.
Okay. This is pretty sick. Mm-hmm. We're gonna turn and then drift our way. Hurrah, let's go, let's go, let's go. I mean, should we just do a donut here? Fuck it. Oh, fuck, I don't know.
This is a busy road, though.
Yeah, but I mean, like, oh no, I can't. It's just not enough room. At least I don't think. But let's just
find a better road.
Drift our way, drifting in this bitch, drifting in this bitch. Oh yeah, the roads are starting to get a little harsher too.
Yeah.
I wonder if the M4 would have been better in this.
Oof.
With it not being just ice.
Bad,
it was, yeah. It was pretty bad. The car just shot to the right when I punched it. I mean, it brakes better. shit!
What is he doing?
What is this guy doing?
Wrong way.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh shit!
Damn, she's literally going to the wrong side of the road. She's probably freaking out right now.
What the hell was that like? Oh shit, we just slipped there. That was unexpected. Let's see, we can get a little. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Maybe we can go to our spot that we got, you know, where we got the cops called on us.
Well, we got in trouble.
Man, we got in trouble that way. Well, we didn't get in trouble, but we almost
got in
yeah,
trouble.
yeah, we almost got in trouble.
Yeah, we did. That was fun.
We're going right there. It's on the way to Casco.
Yes, good.
Yes, kid. This is so much fun. I think we turn here. Let's see, I need the map. There it is. No, next one. Punch it, punch it, punch it. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, shit.
What is that lady doing?
Just walking around by herself.
She looks old.
I think we can drift into this.
Hell yeah.
I think we can. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, shit. Wow. This is a lot of fun. Oh, you gotta be careful of that. See, if we hit that, we're fucked.
Yeah.
The snow's getting high enough to cover the barriers almost. Love it. Love it. Just do some donuts here. Let's see. Yoink! Woo! Skirt, skirt!
Is it gripping more?
Oh,
Oh, no, there we go.
It's gripping way better. Come on, come on, come on, come on! This is honestly insanely fun.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all the free space. Let's see, maybe a nice wide donut. Ooh, see, that's a barrier right there. I gotta be careful. Move, 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 move. Ooh, that was a close one. Woo! Come on,
Oh,
don't get
shit.
closer to the barrier. No. It's actually, oh yeah. Nice. Nice and clean on that one. It's actually, I don't know, I think yesterday was more. I don't know.
Yesterday we were just. Oh, I think it was here.
It was probably here.
This is way more space.
This is where the cops were called. Yeah. We just gotta make sure there are no cops around. Take over! Take over! Take over! Take over! Take over! Take over! Woo! This is honestly so much fun.
It is fun.
Oh shit. Okay, going 55. Not really sure that's smart. I'm pretty sure that's over the speed limit without snow. So let's not do that. Yeah, it's 45 here. Let's just chill. Alright. Nice little exploration. Maybe we go over here. Yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, but we gotta do a little some drifting. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit. Save your drink.
Nice.
Oh shit, you're going? Oh shit, he's going behind us.
Yeah. He signaled, so I just kept going. He's probably got a Garage of America. This is the Garages of America. This is what, like one of those things you could purchase. All right. This is a little tight, but let's see if I can squeeze it. No, I can't. I tried.
Oh, it's so smooth. It's so nice.
It's really nice. See, that's the that's the fresh powder thing. Oh wait, maybe we can go back. Yeah, I think we should go back. I like the idea of that. All right. And then
It's so fun.
it really is. All right, now let's go this way. Yeah. Come on. Drift it. Oh shit, that was a close one. Okay. Let's see, what do we got over here? Just other people's Garages of America. Oh, there's other donut spots here. We aren't the first.
Oh shit.
All right, let's figure 8 and boom, whip it. Oh, come on, you got it. There we go. Yeah, there you go. And then whippity dippity. Drift out of here. Ooh. That's a barrier. Alrighty. What do we got over here? Alright, let's just do a little drift out of here. Woo! Oh fuck, I couldn't do it. Come on, turn. It didn't want to turn. Yes, I got it. Alright, turn. Exit, grand exit. Oh shit. Grand exit. Oh man, I love cars.
How did you do it? How yesterday you were just spinning forever?
Oh, we just locked the steering wheel. And then I want to do that. I just let's find a place to do that. It's starting to get a little foggy in here, so let's do this maybe that. All right, let's do this maybe in the rear and the front. Braking!
So sketchy. Oh my god, babe.
Let's get away from this guy. I don't know why I'm singing that. I don't even know where it's from. You're hot. Nice. Alright, maybe we go in here? No, let's go over here. No U-turn? Well, that's no fun. Oh, is it gonna... Alright. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Shit.
Alright, where are we at here on the video? 16 minutes? I think that's pretty good.
It's actually really fun.
It's too fun is the problem. The problem is it's too fun. Too fun. But maybe we gotta find a spot to do our little I guess we're just oh shit. Dang, the rear end really slid that time, huh? Goddamn. Alright, let's see where we're at here. Wow, it's snowing a pretty good amount. It snowed a pretty good amount. Alright. Well, there's kids over there. I don't like that. They're sledding and shit. But let's try something here. Let's go here. Dynamics. Customize. Handling balance. We'll just do that.
There's a car.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Now all-wheel drive's on. That was just rear-wheel drive. You know what I mean? Let's see. And then we go drift, 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 drift. Ooh, doesn't want to turn. Drifting, drifting out in the sunset. Yeah. All right. Man, this thing handles so much better with the tires. Way better. Oh, see, well, there's a popo right there. You know, no. Let's not do that. Let's actually just do a donut. Donut. Oh, that's not good. That's a curb. Let's go. All right. Go back to that one last spot. All right. This is so sick. I'm not gonna lie.
It is. It's so fun.
Right. Angry Tesla. Is that what they call them? Teslas that break the rules.
Tesla on the loose.
Teslas are so unassuming. Like, you will never think people who are driving at really speed, all that. Anyway, I'm thinking we go back to our favorite place, Garages America here. There's a big wide open space. And it's private property, so if we get caught, the only one who could really get us in trouble is people who own the property. The gate's open here. All right, ready? Let's see if we can do this. I think it's enough space. All right, ready? Come on, come on, come on. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. Come on. Oh, hold on, let me try this real quick. I need to turn off, or make it rear wheel drive. And that's the rear. I think so. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Right.
It's easier this way?
Yeah, because the rear wheels are now just spinning. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. See, we're kind of on a slope here.
It's harder.
Yeah, so it's like going up and then, yeah. All right. Oh, open gate.
Let's go inside.
We're members. Look, this guy's going in his thing. Na 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 na. All right. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I want a Cybertruck. What do you think about that, hon?
Very cool.
Should we do it
Yeah.
instead of this?
Whee!
That means you got to be comfortable driving it. That's the thing.
Oh, I'd rather have them all wide.
I know.
That's mine.
Right. All right.
It's so smooth.
It really is.
I wish I could drive like this all the time.
Right.
It's so fun. I feel like I'm in like Mario Kart or something.
Yeah, for real. Come on, let's go.
Oh shoot.
Da-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na.
Do you not get scared?
No, not at all. I grew up doing this. You know, where we're from. We just go in the mountains and just do this all day. Come on. There we go. Okay, all right. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. That was too fun. Now we gotta have fun at Costco. We gotta go to Costco and do some grocery shopping. All right, y'all. Peace. Oh shit, that's a cop. That's a cop. That's a cop. That's a cop.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Somebody's trying to get us in trouble again.
Yeah, I agree. Let's skedaddle out of here. Like maybe this way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, everyone. Peace out. Have a wonderful day.